Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good morning everybody. Here an explanation about exercise 13, and some of you had some questions about exercise C, but let me just look at exercise A and B before we're gonna do exercise C. They just say that in May a liter of ice cream cost €1.91. In June, the price was increased by 20%. In July, the price was increased again by 30%. Calculate the price in July. Alright, so to calculate the price first in June, an exercise A, we need to multiply the €1.91 by 1,2. Now, why 1,2? Because 100% is the price from the beginning in May, €1.91, and then it will increase by 20%, so plus 20%. So that's together 120%. And we know to make from the percentage a decimal number, we need to divide it by 100, so 1,2. Alright, so €1.91 times 1,2 will be approximately €2.29. There you go. So this is the price in June. If we're gonna look what the price is in July, we're gonna do exactly the same. Yeah, but now with 30%. So 100% plus 30% is together 130%, and that's as decimal place of a decimal number 1,3. Alright, so the new price in June was €2.29. If I multiply that one by 1,3, then you get your answer approximately €2.98. So that's the price in July, and that was the question of exercise A. Yeah? Now in exercise B, they ask you what was the percentage increase in price over the period May and July. Alright, now first we need to look what is the increase in euros. So we're gonna look what is the difference between €2.98 and €1.91. Now if I look at the difference, it is €1.07. Okay, to look at increase percentage, we need to divide the 1,0 euros, 1,07, divided with the old price, and the old price was €1.91, right? To know the percentage, we need to multiply with 100%, so that will be approximately 56,0%. We need to round at one decimal place, so that's the reason that you get 0. Yeah? And now exercise C. According to Dennis, the initial 20% increase followed by the 30% increase results in a total 50% increase. So he just said if you just count those two numbers together, 20 and 30, you need to get an increase of 50%. And then we would like to know your opinion about this, what Dennis is telling us. Now, if we're gonna look at exercise A and B, in exercise A they ask you to calculate the price in July, and that's what we did. And in exercise B we're gonna look what is the percentage increase. Now, and in A and B we just used the 20% increase in June, and then later a 30% increase in July. And 20 plus 30 is 50%. And according to Dennis, the total price will increase with 50%. But that's not true, because we just explained in exercise B that it increased with 56%. Yeah, so you can say that's not true. So it's not True. Because it will increase by 56.0%. Yeah, exercise B. Now, well, you can even calculate it with how many percent it will increase, because if we just combine those two numbers, first we just multiply the €1.91 with 1,2, and then later that answer by 1,3. Now let me just look what we get if we multiply 1,2, that factor, with 1,3. Because if you do that, you get 1,56. And 1,56 is a decimal number. Yeah? So, if we do exactly the same over here, but now the opposite, then you get from 1,56 multiply with 100, you get 156%, which is the 100% where we just start with in May, and of course the 56 what we just have extra. Yeah, so the price increase of July. Yeah, so that's what you need to do in exercise C. Well, they want to know what's your opinion about what just Dennis tell us about his reason, and maybe you can combine exercise A and B to get exercise C. So that's it. So good luck with the rest of the exercises.